This video playlist is about optional practical training that takes place after graduation, which is referred to as post-completion OPT. OPT Application Overview. This video will provide an overview of the application process for post-completion OPT. We highlight the most important things you need to know, but provide detailed information on our website. Basically, there are 3 steps in the process. The first step is to submit an application to the ISSO. The ISSO will process the request through your electronic CVIS record, which will result in the issuance of a new I-20. It will have your OPT recommendation with your requested dates printed on page 2. After you get the OPT I-20 from the ISSO, you will mail a complete application with other required documents and a fee to USCIS, Immigration and Citizenship Services. Because the process requires an application to us and then to USCIS, it is crucial that you keep in mind the processing times for both steps and plan ahead. There is a 5-month window in which you can apply for post-completion OPT, but we strongly encourage you to apply as early as possible. The earliest you can apply is 90 days before you complete all degree requirements for your program, which is usually the program end date on your I-20. You can use a date calculator linked at the end of this video to determine the earliest date. The latest date your application can be received by USCIS is the 60th day after your I-20 completion date. Our preferred submission is earlier than the actual deadline because we know from experience that the earlier you apply, the better. We recommend that you submit an application to the ISSO within the first 60 days that you can apply. Obviously, the earlier you apply, the earlier you will receive a response. This will minimize the anxiety of waiting for the EAD at a time that is already stressful because you are finishing the semester, finishing your degree requirements, and possibly job hunting or looking for a new place to live. Potential complications that may be avoided include not having time to resolve any problems in receiving mail from USCIS, not having enough time to respond to a USCIS RFE, request for further evidence, running out of time to begin an offer of employment because you are waiting for the EAD, or denial of OPT because application reaches USCIS after their deadline. Use this website to calculate the earliest date you can apply, 90 days before your completion date. Refer to our webpage, F-1 OPT, after your degree program for comprehensive information. Thank you for watching this video. Please review our other videos for further information.